Do you ever wish you could manage your gaming life without being glued to your couch? Stop missing out on limited time store deals or waiting for massive updates to finish. Welcome back to TechVibes. Usually the PS5 feels like a static box in your living room, but with the right setup, your phone becomes a powerful remote command center. This allows you to start downloads, manage storage, and even play games from anywhere in the world. Let's get your mobile command center running right now with these 10 advanced steps. Step 1. Download the official PlayStation app on your iPhone or Android device. This is the primary bridge between your phone and your console for social features and store management. Step 2. Sign in with your primary PSN account. Ensure that this is the same account currently set as the primary user on your console to enable the background handshake. Step 3. Enable Stay Connected to the Internet in your PS5 power saving settings. This allows your phone to wake the console from a distance, so you can start tasks while you are at work or traveling. Step 4. Link your console within the app. Go to the Settings tab in the mobile app and select Console Management to pair your device. This gives you the power to see exactly what is on your hard drive from your phone screen. Step 5. Download the separate PS Remote Play app. If you want to actually see the screen and play games on your phone, this is the dedicated tool you need for the high-speed video stream. Step 6. Enable Remote Play on your PS5 hardware. In the System menu under Remote Play, toggle the switch to On. This opens the secure port that allows your phone to request a video feed. Step 7. Connect your DualSense controller to your phone via Bluetooth. Hold the PlayStation and share buttons until the light bar flashes. Pair it in your phone settings for a console-quality experience on the go. Step 8. Optimize your network with a 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection. Remote Play requires high bandwidth to avoid lag. If your phone or console is on a 2.4 GHz band, you will see a lot of stuttering and pixelation. Step 9. Set your console DNS to 8.8.8.8. In the network settings of your PS5, using Google's fast servers can reduce the latency when your phone tries to wake the console over a cellular data connection. Step 10. Manage your storage remotely. If you try to start a download and your console is full, the app will allow you to select and delete old games to make room for the new ones immediately. For a quick bonus tip, look into mobile data settings in the Remote Play app. You can manually lower the resolution to 720p or 540p to save data and ensure a smoother frame rate if you are playing over a 5G cellular network instead of Wi-Fi. If you face any difficulty getting your phone to wake up your console, or if you have connection errors, please leave a comment below. I am staying active on this video, and I will reply to your questions within 1 hour. If this video helped you take your gaming on the road, please like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes. You are now officially untethered from your living room, so go enjoy your games wherever you are.